Hey guys, so by the title, y'all already know what's going on. I'm finna give y'all 10 essential things that a natural girl should have. So before we jump into the video, make sure you give this video a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Is a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush? Well, I ain't gonna say or, you really need both. Well, this really a shampoo comb. I use it as a detangling comb too. When you detangling your hair, you want plastic because it creates less friction and the hair can easily glide on the plastic surface. For instance, like metal, I don't even think people have or use like them metal combs anymore, but that makes too much friction on your hair. So when you natural, try using plastic combs or detanglers or whatever you have. But y'all go, this is from Amazon. I did try this out in my newest video. So if you want to stop this video and go watch this video and see how great this is, you can do that. If you natural, you need the items. A good shampoo. This is the shampoo I'm using, the Coconut Curls Real Raw Shampoo. Y'all, this shampoo is like so lit. So lit. If you haven't tried this, go try it. But y'all, you can't be natural with dirty hair. You can't be natural with dandruff falling all out your head and all that. Go get you a good shampoo, girl. Natural girls, get a good shampoo. Deep conditioner. After you use a shampoo, it makes your hair kind of brittle, right? Like kind of dry, right? Okay, so the deep conditioners come back and like put in a moisture. It rehydrates your hair. Like shampoo makes it brittle, so you want to put back moisture that your hair has lost. So I'm trying a Miel Bambuza and Mint Deep Conditioner. This is a deep conditioner, so if you want to try it, I did try this conditioner and a shampoo out in my newest video. So if you want to stop this again and go watch that video, y'all, I do recommend this deep conditioner, but I have all the stuff linked down below. The satin or silk scarf. This basically is for when you're sleeping so your hair don't rub so hard and create friction, which can break your hair. So this is a bonnet. So this is a satin slash silk bonnet. I don't know which one it is. I think it's silk. But this said, girl, I don't know. But this is a silk bonnet that I use. Say for instance, I'm doing my washing goes or whatever, I just throw this on at night, and when I'm sleeping, like your hair just rubs and gets it. It's not creating so much friction like the other scarves. So go out and get you a satin or silk scarf. Number 5, different oils. I don't have any oils right here with me right now, but the oils I do use is like tea tree oil, Jamaican oil, black castor oil, just different oils. You want to lock in that moisture. Like people always comment on my videos like I don't know my own hair, first of all, and say, why you using so much gel? I know you lying, your hair crunchy, whoop-de-woo, did it get you dry, whatever, by so much gel being in my hair. I like gel. I use a lot of gel. The reasons I use a lot of gel, baby, I come behind it with a oil. But the oil locks in the moisture of all the product I have in my hair, which makes it not crunch. The oil breaks that crunch cast. So when you're doing like a wash and go, come behind it with a oil. This is a leave-in conditioner. This is somewhat like oil. If I don't use oil, I do make sure I use a leave-in conditioner. This restores and rehydrates your hair. Say for instance, you wake up one morning and I don't believe in co-wash, but let's say, okay, a wash and go. You wake up, it's been like 5 days since you had your wash and go. You don't want to redo it. You can take this this leave-in conditioner, spray it with a little water. While we at it, we're going to get into, my water bottle was number 7, so we're going to skip right into that. You put this leave-in conditioner, spray it with a little water. Both of these together will rehydrate your hair. It will rehydrate the wash and go, so you will not have to redo the whole style. Put this on top of, put this first and then spray it with a little dish, shake, 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 and I promise y'all, it will rehydrate it and you good to go. So that's basically what the spray water and the leave-in conditioner would do. So I knocked 2 birds out of 1 stone. So there you go. Edge control. Baby, Destiny, I said this, I'm saying that. All of Destiny and Decided said it best. If your edge is not on fleek, baby, your hairstyle ain't complete. My edge is not on fleek right now. I'm doing like a basic little ponytail. I wanted my hair to be all the way out natural doing this video since I'm doing a natural hair video. But The edge control I use is the Ebin Extreme Firm Hold. Y'all, this is the truth. This is the only edge control you will see me using. This edge control lasts all day. I have an edge video on my channel with this edge control, so be sure to go do that. It's gel. And you can use Eco Styling Gel or hold on, because y'all already know what gel I'm using. Okay, with your gel, baby, don't wash your goals ain't gonna pop without no gel. I don't care what y'all say. But you need your Eco Styling Gel or Wetline Gel. These are the only two gels that I have ever used. If you have watched all my videos, you mostly see the Wetline Gel. I'm not gonna bash Eco Styling Gel, but I kind of left them alone. But Wetline Gel gets you through the door. I don't know what's in this stuff, y'all, but it make your curls just pop, bounce like this, spiral, it be there. Go get you some Wetline Gel. This gel is the cheapest gel on the market right now. It's only $2.99. There's no reason for your curls to be looking like a bush or something, like crabgrass or something. Baby, go get you some Wetline Gel. I promise you it will spiral them curls. Okay, so that's all the products you need. For all my new naturals, if you get them 10 items, I promise you, you will love your natural hair journey. And for number 10, baby, you need confidence. You have to have confidence to rock natural hair. Everybody cannot rock natural hair and feel like good about themselves. You need confidence, confidence. That's all I can tell you. Self-esteem, high self-esteem, confidence to rock natural hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe. That's the same thing as thumbs up, don't it? But give this video a thumbs up. Comment and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.